Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Mobile Detail in Edmonton. My name is Lance. If you're first time joining us, welcome. Today we're going to continue talking about the Toyota Tundra, or as I like to call it, the Torari. We're going to talk about ways for you guys to save a little bit of money and still get a really quality product. I used to battle with seeing all these guys, especially in Canada, seeing all these guys in the States, and they would have these super sweet products, couldn't get them up here, and if we could, it would just be so expensive. I'm going to show you guys how to save some money, but have some super sweet beats, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay everybody, first off I'm going to show you the most important thing of all of this, how to get the damn seats out. So I went through, and again, I've already had this installed, so it's pretty straightforward, but go over it with you. And 17 mil is what you're gonna need, and I like to use the old trusty impact, and on the back ones you're gonna need this. So let's get the seats out, and then I'll show you what I installed, how I installed it, and how much it cost. Okay, so real quickly, let's talk about it. You got a bolt here, 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 there. So 2 bolts on each brace bracket. Zip them off real quick. I forgot. I put Loctite on everything last time. So tight. Just burned up my drill. Loosen them up, and then the drill can zip them off. Okay, get the bolts out. Let's get these seats up. Grr. What's stuck? Okay, so let's talk about what you're looking at. Right here, we got the Rockford Fosgate P3 Punch Series. Love this subwoofer. I went with the 12 inch. 10 inches give you a better bang. 12 inches give you a better long distance travel when it comes to sound, in my opinion. We went with the LC2i for the converter, and then with the subwoofer amp, we went with the JL. This one is, I honestly can't remember how many watts it's pushing. I think it's like 600 or 800. Anyway, that amp, that LC2i, yeah, LC2i is meant all just for this. Now, as you can see, I cut a hole in the rubber that's sitting here. The reason is because if you don't, you're not going to be able to fit it, because that's why it's such a bitch. With Toyotas, there's not a lot of room. You need something super thin, and that's going to be able to make it work. So, as you can see, the entire truck has got Dynamat, Extreme Hush Mat all throughout it, put everywhere, in the ceiling, on the floors, and the doors. I went hard. I love this stuff. So anyway, again, I measured it out. I cut this to be the exact same size as this, put it together. And again, this isn't a how-to, it's more of a you don't have to, if that makes any sense. So anyway, if you cut out that piece of the mat, it gives you that much room, like a 1/16 of room, and that's all you need to be able to have that back seat. Because if you don't, the back seat will hit it and it'll rub against right here, and it'll rub against over here because of the bar that's in there. So this system worked amazing. Okay, so here's the back of the seat, and this is the part in question that I'm trying to avoid with that special box. I don't know what the hell happened there with my gimbal, but anyway. So what you're trying to avoid is you're trying to avoid this beam, this piece right here, and then also right into here. Now, as you can see, I don't know what the hell that is. But anyway, that's what you're trying to avoid. This piece here, coming over here, and that piece there. Okay, so when it comes to the other seat, there is one thing that you're not going to be able to avoid. Right here is the only thing. You're going to get a little bit of light rubbing right there, which, as you can see, isn't the end of the world. It's fine. That's where the box comes across right here and mashes up there. Other than that, there's nothing that hits it. So to review, if you want a subwoofer system for your truck, and I could put another sub here if I wanted, but I need room for my tow ropes and my jacks, or my lug nuts and my jack and all that. I wanted to keep that in there. But if you want something like this, all you have to do is cut this piece to match your subwoofer box, fit it inside. Again, this is the Rockford Fosgate box, the Punch Series sub. It's thin enough to handle it. I got the JL amp and I got the LC2I converter, and that's all I needed. It's awesome. Up in front, right down below, which I know you won't be able to see, but there's the subwoofer controls up there. But anyway, that's it. Just wanted to go to show you guys, you don't have to spend a ton to have something super nice. Okay, I wanted to keep this video super short for you guys, but again, we're gonna go over from now on, we're gonna do a lot of stuff with the truck. We're still gonna do our videos on how-tos and which chemical products to use, but I love my truck. I love driving my truck. I love doing things with my truck, so we're gonna start doing that. We're gonna go and do a little bit of hill climbing. We're gonna go out and have some fun and basically do as much as we can without destroying it. Who knows, we may do that too. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys had a great day, and we'll see you next time.